Here's problem 7 from the 2014 AMC 8. There are 4 more girls than boys in M's Rob's class of 28 students. What is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's call the number of boys B. Since there are 4 more girls than boys, the number of girls is B plus 4. The two groups together make up 28 students. So B plus, open parenthesis, B plus 4, close parenthesis, equals 28. That simplifies to 2B plus 4 equals 28. Subtracting 4 from both sides gives 2B equals 24. So B equals 12. There are 12 boys, and the girls are 12 plus 4, which is 16. Now the ratio of girls to boys is 16 to 12. Both numbers share a factor of 4. So we divide each by 4 to get 4 to 3. So the ratio of girls to boys is 4 to 3, which is choice B.